This is a great nation. We're a good people. And to overcome the challenges in front of us requires the most elusive of all things in a democracy: unity. It requires us to come together in common love that defines us as Americans: opportunity, liberty, dignity, and respect, and to unite against common foes: hate, violence, disease, and hopelessness. America's story depends not on any one of us, not on some of us, but on all of us.
A great experiment takes great determination, the will to do the work, and then the wisdom to keep refining, keep tinkering, keep perfecting. The same determination is being realized in America today. I see it in the scientists who are transforming the future. I see it in the parents who are nurturing generations to come, in the innovators and the educators, in everyone, everywhere, who is building a better life for themselves, their families, and their communities. This, too, is American aspiration. This is what President Joe Biden has called upon us to summon now: the courage to see beyond crisis, to do what is hard, to do what is good, to unite, to believe in ourselves, believe in our country, believe in what we can do together.